Welcome to TAC Tips. This series showcases different tips and tricks to help improve your Chromebook experience, presented by your Technology Assistance Center interns. Today's TAC tip is Pin Tabs. Pin tabs can help you easily access websites that you often use, such as Infinite Campus or Google Classroom. In order to pin tabs, you first need to open the tab that you are pinning. I'm going to be using Google Classroom as an example. Next, go up to the tab and tap the touchpad with 2 fingers. Once this drop-down menu appears, scroll down to Pin and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, the icon of the website will become smaller and move all the way to the left side of your browser. Now you can store your tabs here to easily open them. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes out for more TAC tips from your TAC crew.